I'd like to show you how to make a two-tone ribbon bow in a unique way. In the second half of this video, I will show you how to wrap this box. Roughly measure the length of the ribbon. Pre-cut the ribbon with a little extra. Also cut the secondary ribbon to the same length. Fold one of the ribbons in half in the middle. Put the end of the second ribbon through the center loop of the first ribbon. Pull both ribbons that are connected in the middle to both sides tightly. Place the connection point in the center of the back of the box. Check the back before you start tying. In the center of the front, cross the ribbon like this. Make sure the right end always goes to the top right corner. Tie it firmly and use the left end to make a loop towards the top right. Bring the right end over the loop. Push it into this hole and pull it out to the left. To tighten, pull out the top of the left loop and the bottom of the right loop. Separate both stacked loops. And also tails. Adjust both sides of the box neatly. Cut all 4 tails to desired length. Now, I'd like to show you how to wrap a box like this. Roughly measure the size of the paper. Align the right edge in the center of the box front. Wrap it tightly and crease the right corner. Roughly cover the box with the paper on the left. Make a mark on the point overlapped by just under an inch. Fold the line along the mark. Cut off the excess along the line. Put the box back on the paper. Wrap tightly with the right side on top for celebration. Then make sharp creases in all 4 corners. The seam will be covered with a paper strip, so can be closed with regular tape on top. Prepare a strip of paper of the same height and about 1.5 inches wide. Apply double-sided tape to the back of the strip and attach it to the center of the front of the box. Turn it over and make sure the box is centered. Close the box from the bottom first. Fold the sides inwards. Make sure to fold each corner all the way in. Fold down on the top tab. Fold up on the bottom tab. Fold it in the center where the lines intersect. Close with double-sided tape. Do the same on the other side. It's easier to stand it up than fold. Always make sharp corners so that the wrapping looks neat. Now, a beautiful two-tone gift wrapping is complete.